Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Chevrolet Trax. The Trax is tiny on the outside, but remarkably spacious within. It comes with clean and modern interiors. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, sunroof package, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.